Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize WireGuard between VPS nodes for management. Quick tutorials. Start by logging into your VPS nodes via SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY or the built-in terminal in your operating system. Enter the IP address of your VPS and your SSH credentials to connect. Once connected, update the package list on both nodes. Run the command sudo apt update. Install WireGuard on both nodes if it is not already installed. Execute the command sudo apt install WireGuard. Next, generate a public and private key pair for each node. Run the command wg-gen-key-t private key wg pub key public key. This will generate a private key named private key and a public key named public key. Make a note of the keys for future configuration. Now, edit the WireGuard configuration file on the first VPS. Use your preferred text editor to create or modify the file, sudo nano /etc/wireguard/wg0.conf. In this file, add the following lines. Specify the interface, for example, interface. Then add your private key equals VPS1 private key. Set the listening port, for example, listen port equals 51820. Next, add the peer configuration for the second VPS. In the same file, type peer. Then add the public key of the second VPS, public key equals VPS2 public key. Set the allowed IP range for this peer, for example, allowed IPs equals 10.0.0.2/32. Hit Ctrl+X to exit, then Y to save the file. Repeat these steps on the second VPS. Create a configuration file at /etc/wireguard/wg0.conf. Add the interface section with its private key. Set its listening port, same as before. Add the peer information for the first VPS. Include the public key of the first VPS and set its allowed IP range. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.